Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. So in today's video I want to teach you how to use this fabrics, that the crochet star as we used to call it, the blue color, to make a beautiful small purse, so portable that you can just take it as a key holder or as a bag. So now let's go ahead and do the measurement. So now let's go. The measurement that I'll be using today will be 12. That will be 12. Okay, let me turn this place because I added this small leather to make it to be thick small. So it will be 12 by, so it will be 12 by 8 inch that I'll be using on this one today. So this is 12 by 8 inch. So coming here now, I will now measure out 1.5 inch. I'm measuring out 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch here. So I'll fold it into two also. You see, then I'll go ahead and measure 1.5 inch this side also. So after that, I'll go ahead and cut it out from here. Then I'll cut here also. So after cutting off this one now, I'll keep it aside. Then I'll use this one for the handle. This is a black leather that I will add it inside the handle to use it to fold it so that it will be thick. So the handle will be this way. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So this will be for the handle of the bag. I'll cut it into two. Now for the handle. So I'll go ahead now and add the zip on this one here. I have orange color here. So I'll be adding zip on these two sides here now. So let me go ahead and do that. Then I'll fold it this way. I'll sew it again. I'll open it this way so that I'll use this one and sew this side. I'll fold it this way. after that it will be this way now. Then I'll go ahead and put the zip head that I will use here. So after adding the zip on this bag, it will be this way now. Can you see? So it will be this way. So I'll turn it here again. So now this one will be this way, but I need to open it so that I'll sew it round first. I'll use it to hold it. So now what I will do now is to go ahead and add the handle. So at this point I will now add the handle here. This is the handle that will be here. So I'll go ahead and add the handle here now. So after that I'll turn it this way. Then now I'll now go ahead and sew here. Then I'll sew this side also. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll sew here, then I'll sew here. Then I'll sew this side also. So after sewing it, it will be this way now. So it will be this way. Then I'll hold this one this way with this. I'll hold it this way. So it will be this way now. Then I'll go ahead and sew it. So now after sewing the two first sides of the bag, that's the base and the upper side from the zip side, the next thing I will do is to go ahead and turn our bag. But let's first of all finish sewing the four sides of those bag. So after sewing this, I'll still go ahead and sew this and sew the other side also. That will be making four sides of the bag. Then after that, I will open this bag from the zip of the bag because this bag is so nice and so sweet. Oh, you can't wait to see this bag, and I can't wait to carry the bag with my clothes. So I'll be wearing that the orange color with those design because looking at this bag, it have orange color on the back. So I'll just wear plain orange color. Then I will now carry this bag. I will show you see how it will be while wearing it. This is the bag. So now this is the bag. So let's go ahead and open the bag and see how beautiful and how powerful it is with Ankara material. I hope we usually call it star. That's star means small star. Don't mind me, that's from our native language. So this is the bag. Is this bag not so beautiful? Is it not so wonderful? Can you see this? After sewing this bag, my kid came home that day and said, "Ha, mommy, this is our school uniform material." I said,